having trouble with my camera today for some reason. We got an Amazon package in today, and we're going to open it up. We'll point y'all down so that we can open it up. I'm going to point you two down. There we go. So I've already kind of cut open the package. There's nothing else in there. And we have the bubble wrap on top. You have a plastic on the bottom, and it's upside down. This I ordered on Amazon, and I ordered it. It has 30 tubes in it, and I thought it was going to be bigger than what it is. But it'll work. And we'll put this up there so y'all can see how big it is in reference. That's how long it is round. So, one of these squares. It's 2 inches by like 2. Like 3. So, that's what this is. I think I'm going to buy another one. So that, and they do screw on tightly, and they won't come off really very easily. See, if you're having trouble with them, they screw on fairly well. Some of them have that little bite to them. They all do. So yeah, I'm happy with my purchase on this one. I do recommend getting them if you've got like a little small project and you want to kit it up. This is a good one to get. Like a special drill or something. They're very secure. You can put your little labels on top. I like the little tray that the lid is in because it has a little bit of a lip in it. Right there. And I can put like my drills inside it and it won't go nowhere. And if it spills in here. So, yeah, I like that purchase.